Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a quick view button in Elementor WooCommerce website. Using the Elementor Loop Grid and Off Canvas widget, you can easily add a quick view button on your WooCommerce website. You do not need to install any third-party plugin to create a quick view. Let me show you an example. Here, I have the listings of the product that I have created using Elementor Loop Grid, and you will see a quick view button here. So if I click on this quick view, it is going to open a pop-up which is nothing but off canvas widget, and on this pop-up it will show the quick view of the product. Here you will see product featured image, then product gallery images, title, product metadata, pricing, short description, and add to cart button. So if I click on it, it is going to add the product to the cart. Here you will see a close button. If I click on it, it is going to close the pop-up. And using the Elementor theme builder, you can customize the layout of the quick view pop-up. You can change the background color, you can change the style settings, and if you want, you can also add more elements on this pop-up. So I'll show you how you can create this quick view button on WooCommerce website using Elementor Off Canvas and a Loop Grid. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website, and I'm using Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin on this demo website. If you are using Elementor theme builder to create shop page on your WooCommerce website, then you can add quick view button while customizing the shop page using Elementor theme builder. In this case, I have used Astra theme to create the WooCommerce website. This is the default layout of the shop page in Astra theme. Now I'm going to use the loop grid feature in Elementor to showcase all the products on a single page, and in that loop grid I'm going to use off canvas feature to add quick view. So let's go to pages, and I'm going to use one of the demo page here. I have one demo page here, and I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. On this demo page, we are going to add loop grid, and we are going to showcase all the products. Now let's add a section here, and let's add some padding at the top and at the bottom. Now on this page, I want to show the products. So I'm going to use loop grid. So click on plus sign and search for loop grid. You will see the option here, loop grid. Drag it and drop it here. And we are creating a loop grid for products. So from here, select products. So the layout will show the products only. And below that, you will see choose a template. We do not have any template created for the loop grid, so we can create a new template from here. So click on create template, click on save. All right, now we can create a template. Before that, let's click on settings. Let's add a title for this loop grid. So let's name it as loop grid for products, and go to preview settings. Under preview settings, it is already set to products. If it is not set to product, then you can set this option to product so that the preview will show the products instead of post. Here you will see an option to select product manually. If you want to see any product preview, you can use that. For example, I have one product. I'm going to use that product to preview. So I have selected one product, click on apply and preview. Now it will show the product preview here. Let's click on plus sign and let's add a flex box, one column. At the top, I want to show the product title. So click on plus sign and search for product title, drag it and drop it here. Let's center align it. Below that, I want to show product featured image. So click on plus sign, go to featured image and drag it and drop it here. Below that, I want to show the product price. Click on plus sign, look for product price, drag it and drop it. Let's center align it, and let's change the color. Let's make it blue, and let's change the size also. Now below that, I'm going to add to cart button. Let's make this image small. All right, this is add to cart button. Go to advanced and let's center align it. Now I want to add quick view button, or instead of that I can also use quick view icon. So let's click on plus sign, and I'm going to create two column section here. So let's add a container, and inside let's make it horizontal, and inside this container I'm going to add another container. Let's add one more container. Let's reduce the size of this container, and here I'm going to add to cart button inside this container, and here I'm going to add icon. Right, let's delete this one. Right, so this is the layout. Now change the icon. Let's make it like quick view. This is what I'm going to use, and let's change the color also. All right, so this is going to be a quick view button. Now when someone clicks on it, it should open a quick view box, and for that we are going to use off canvas widget. So click on plus sign and look for off canvas, drag it and drop it here. Now it has opened the layout. Let's change the position horizontal to center, vertical to center, change the width to let's say 80%, and height will be fit to content. Under settings we have animation. Let's make it zoom in and zoom out. Let's change the duration. Below that you will see interaction, prevent closing on overlay. So if someone clicks on this overlay, it is going to close pop-up or the off canvas. Below that we have prevent closing on escape overlay. So if someone press the escape key on the keyboard, it is going to close the off canvas widget. Disable page scrolling. If you enable this option, it will disable the page scrolling behind. I'm going to enable that option. Now click on the plus sign and let's add two column section. I'm going to use two columns, so click on it and let's make it horizontal. Click on plus sign, add new section or the container, and let's add one more container. Now in this box I'm going to add featured image, and below that I'm going to add image gallery, which will show the product image gallery. So drag it and drop it here. You will see dynamic tags here. Click on it and select product gallery. So it will show the product gallery images here. All right, now here click on plus sign. I want to add product title, so let's add product title. Below that I want to add product short description, let's say. So add product short description. Click on plus sign, and below that I want to use product meta. Click on the plus sign again, and let's add product price, and let's add to cart button. All right, so these are the elements that we are going to show on the quick view pop-up. All right, now let's go back to edit off canvas and let's disable editing mode. So we will be back to the loop grid. Now let's click on this icon, and we are going to link this icon with this off canvas. And for that you will see a link option here. Go to dynamic tags and look for off canvas. You will see this option here, off canvas. Click on it. Click on it again, and you will see the settings for the off canvas. What do you want to do? You want to open the off canvas. So you will see the action here, open off canvas, and select a widget. We have one widget which is off canvas. This is the widget. If you want to change the name of this widget, you can change the name. Click on it and you can change the name from here. So whatever name you add here, it will be shown there. I just close it. Go back. Now we have this button linked with this off canvas. You can also add a close button. Let's add an icon to close the off canvas. Let's add the icon here at the top. Let's align it to the right, sorry. And for the icon, search for close option. So I'm going to select this one. And let's change the size. Now we need to link this button to close the off canvas. So go to the icon, go to dynamic tags for the link, look for off canvas, click on it, and this time we are going to close the off canvas. So select close off canvas and select the widget that is off canvas. So when someone clicks on it, it is going to close the off canvas. So let's change the color. So now this is the layout. Click on save and back. and we will be back to the shop page, and you will see all the products are listed. Now this is a simple layout. You can customize it, you can change the background color, you can change the size of icon, price and title. Right, now let's view the page. And this is how the page will look. This is the icon that we created for Quick View. Click on it and it will open the Quick View. So you will see the gallery images, you will see the featured image, title, metadata, pricing, short description, add to cart. If you want to add more elements, you can add more elements on off canvas. If I click on it, it is going to close that off canvas. Let's try this one. It will open the details for this product. Close it. So using the loop grid and off canvas widget in Elementor, you can create quick view button in WooCommerce product listing. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.